Welcome to the CFSCI Frequently Asked Questions. I am Dr. Roger LeBoux, Director of the We Win U Center for Cold-Formed Steel Structures. How important is it to consider torsion for a cold-formed steel C-section? Singly symmetric sections, for example C-sections, having the shear center and the centroid offset, are potentially subject to torsion. However, in most applications, the C-section is restrained by sheathing or bracing, and torsion is not a major design concern. AISI S100, Section C 3.6, titled Combined Bending and Torsion Loading, presents a design method for evaluating the influence of normal warping torsion stresses. The design moment capacity is presented as a reduction of the yield moment. Determination of the torsional warping stress can be very involved if one applies the classic mechanics of materials equations. A simplified warping stress analysis method is presented in AISI D110, Example 2. Also, the Cold-Formed Steel Design Manual, AISI D100, Example 2-11, presents an example problem. It's noteworthy that in this example, the available moment capacity for torsion versus lateral torsional buckling are only within about 5%. My point being that for a typical design, the influence of torsion may not be significant enough to warrant the increased complexity required for design. If you have questions, I encourage you to go to cfsci.org and click on Ask an Expert, or call the hotline at 1-800-79-STEEL.